You walk into a café in France, and one word can sound polite, while another can sound too friendly. In this video, we will learn when to use bonjour and when to use salut. By the end, you will choose the right French greeting for shops, school, work, and friends. You will learn 3 things today. Bonjour, for polite or public situations, salut, for casual and familiar situations, and a simple rule for choosing safely. Let us start with bonjour. Bonjour means hello, and it is polite, neutral, and widely appropriate when you greet someone in the daytime. You want to use bonjour with a shopkeeper, a teacher, a receptionist, a waiter, or someone you do not know well. For example, at a bakery, a customer says, "Bonjour, madame," and the baker answers, "Bonjour." Quick check. You enter a bakery. Which greeting is better? Option A, bonjour. Option B, salut. The correct answer is bonjour. Bonjour is polite for a public interaction. Now, let us move to salut. Salut means hi, and sometimes bye, but it is casual. Use salut with friends, classmates you know well, family members, or people your age in a relaxed situation. With your friend Lucas, you can say, "Salut Lucas." That means, "Hi Lucas." Listen and repeat. Bonjour madame. Salut Lucas. Notice the difference in feeling. Bonjour sounds respectful and safe. Salut sounds warm and familiar. Quick check. You see a close friend after class. Which greeting fits? Option A, bonjour. Option B, salut. The correct answer is salut. Salut fits a familiar friend. Here is the safest beginner rule. When you are not sure, choose bonjour. It is rarely too polite. But salut can feel too casual with a stranger, an adult you do not know, or someone serving you in a shop. A common mistake is saying "Salut madame" to a shopkeeper. Better, "Bonjour madame." Let us practice choosing. With a receptionist, use bonjour. With a close friend, use salut. With a teacher, use bonjour. With your cousin, use salut. Final check. You greet your new teacher. What should you say? Option A, salut. Option B, bonjour. The correct answer is bonjour. A new teacher is a polite situation. Quick recap. Bonjour is polite, neutral, and safe. Salut is casual, friendly, and familiar. In shops and formal places, choose bonjour. With friends and close people, salut is natural. Now you can avoid the common mistake and greet people in French with more confidence. Subscribe for more practical French lessons. For the full course with structured lessons, visit penvo.ca today.